star sign, always in love. Yeah, next to the water, always will live in the water. So any chance, especially now when I'm 50 plus, I always look for my relaxation places. Sorry, I'm tearing because the weather is not it's not hot and it's pleasant, but there's a bit of windy. That's why I'm tearing. Yeah. Any chance, any reason to find happiness, your own happiness. You can find your own happiness and the way you want. So always I do my best to find my own happiness, especially now I'm increasing since I reached 50. That's why I own my channel. 50 plus, I'm fabulous. As you can see, I'm fabulous, right? This is all to encourage you. People out there who think I'm hot to help you, especially my community. Remember, we're going to 50 and he said, that's it. Time for me to slow down and think. Life is not like that. Give yourself time, give yourself love. Yeah? And to my channel, I welcome you to ask me any question regarding how I live my life. You are more than welcome as long as you ask it politely and I will answer it. Yeah? And those who didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like, share, and please comment and let me know what you think. Thank you. So, my journey, my vacances didn't finish yet. My short holiday on the seaside didn't finish yet. Yeah, all is, self love. It's called self love. If you love yourself, you will be able to shine, and that love will come in your face. It will show it. It will show it naturally. So try your best. Try your best to indulge love, self-love. Yeah? Do not hesitate. Do not get tired of loving yourself because it will come out very naturally. Okay? Yeah. So this is type of life I would like to retire on. This is the type of places I would like to retire. Seaside, yeah, eat fish, yeah, have fun, jog, go for jogging, yeah. This is type of life I would like to retire on. How beautiful is this? Yeah? How beautiful is this? You are on the seaside. Yeah? Yes, a little bit of cold because it's not summer. A little bit of wind because it's not summer. But it's beautiful. This is type of, life I want to retire. Yeah. Who would like to live here? Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Who wouldn't like it? Yeah. Jog here. Yeah, walk anytime. Come on. We all need these type of places to come jog in the morning after breakfast. Yeah, in the morning early for breakfast. Sunset in the summer. This time, like it's not hot. It's a little bit cold and windy, but still look. All we need is safety, right? Safety. That's if I get, inshallah, in my retirement, this type of place of living with safety, of course, I would be, living here happily ever after. This is what I'm looking for, inshallah. So, but for now, enjoy my channel and follow me all the time with new life sharing as 50 plus and fabulous. Bye now.
You to observe our policy of no more than 2 adults and 2 children up to the age of 12 in any one zone at any time. Please be aware that it is a requirement that a face covering is worn for the duration of the flight. This may be removed briefly when drinking. Our employees will ensure that social distancing is being maintained and face coverings are worn throughout the flight. Hand sanitising stations may be kept on board and throughout the attraction for visitors to use. Please take the opportunity to sanitise your hands frequently.
Hundred 164 meters high. 100 what? 64 meters?
Really high.
They said it.
It's gonna go any higher.
Beautiful. Beautiful.